Elon Musk's $7 billion zero-cents gigafactory isn't just about building EVs. It's about proving that sustainable innovation can outshine Germany's automotive giants and spark a global shift to electric. From its monster gigapress machines to its eco-friendly energy systems, Gigafactory is a bold bet on the future. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this factory a revolution, why it's got the industry buzzing, and how it's set to change the way we drive forever. Let's roll. Spanning 3 square kilometers in Brandenburg, just outside Berlin, Giga Berlin is Tesla's first European megafactory designed to pump out 500,000 Model Ys, Model 3s, and future models annually. That's enough cars to fill every parking lot from Berlin to Munich. But it's not just about numbers, it's about speed. Tesla is built from scratch using innovations like the Gigapress, a massive die casting machine that molds an entire car chassis in one shot. This cuts assembly time by hours, slashing costs and boosting output. It's not just a factory, it's a manufacturing revolution that's leaving legacy automakers in the dust. What sets Giga Berlin apart isn't just its size, it's its green heart. Tesla calls it the world's most environmentally friendly factory, and they're backing it up. The plant recycles excess heat from production to warm its halls in winter, cutting energy waste. Solar panels and wind turbines power the facility, tapping into Brandenburg's 3,700 wind turbines and 35,000 solar plants, the highest per capita in Germany. The factory's battery production, a cornerstone of Tesla's mission, will churn out 100 gigawatt hours annually, enough to power up to 750,000 homes for a year. By making batteries, powertrains, and seats in-house, Tesla controls quality and cost, ensuring every Model Y rolling off the line is as green as it is groundbreaking. If you're as thrilled about this sustainable future as I am, hit that subscribe button. It keeps us diving into the tech that's changing our planet. It has a rave cave and a rooftop swimming pool to depict the youthful vibes. But building this beast wasn't easy. The site, once eyed by BMW, required clearing pine forests. German bureaucracy slowed things down, pushing Musk's aggressive timeline past its 2021 target, but Tesla stayed relentless. By October 2021, they hosted GigaFest, inviting locals to tour the factory and feel its energy. This wasn't just PR, it was a love letter to Berlin, a city Musk admires for its engineering legacy and nightlife. Home to Mercedes, BMW, and Porsche, Germany's automotive scene is legendary, but Giga Berlin steps in as a new standard, marrying German precision with Tesla's sustainable vision. The factory's impact goes beyond cars. Employing 10,000 people, it's a lifeline for Brandenburg's economy, creating jobs in a region hungry for growth. The Gigapress alone is a game changer, casting chassis parts in minutes instead of hours, reducing hundreds of welds to a single piece. This efficiency lets Tesla hit Musk's goal of 50% annual production growth, aiming for 1 million cars by 2030. It's a pace that could flood Europe with affordable EVs, capitalizing on the continent's push for climate action amid heat waves and protests. With the Model Y leading the charge, Giga Berlin's output is making electric driving the norm, not the exception, for millions of Europeans. Challenges remain. Environmental critics flag the forest clearing, though Tesla's replanting diverse trees to compensate. Bureaucratic hurdles delayed construction, and scaling to 100 gigawatt hours requires flawless execution. Competitors like Volkswagen are racing to catch up, but their legacy factories can't match Tesla's speed or innovation. Giga Berlin's vertical integration, building batteries, powertrains, and cars under one roof, gives Tesla a cost edge, while their supercharger network ensures drivers never worry about range. This isn't just a factory, it's a fortress of efficiency, sustainability, and ambition. So what's the big picture? Giga Berlin is a symbol of hope for a greener planet, a hub for jobs, and a party spot with a rave cave to boot. But can Tesla keep this momentum, or will Europe's old guard fight back? Drop Tesla wins in the comments, and let's get this debate rolling. Thanks for watching.